Morning, my friends. Did everybody enjoy my super brutal video? You know that a video like that is for me to show you that it's about honesty. It's um we can hate the general public while we love them. We can recognize that they're just slander, blackmail, extortion artists and be honest about it, and then understand how they're there through ignorance, blindness, not knowing themselves. But I have something so beautiful to share with everyone. See, if you watched the last video that I made, the one on the mirror, the road to Damascus from like that TV movie or whatever it is, I wonder how you guys comprehend that when when Saul is having a confrontation with Jesus Christ. I wonder what you think of that. Do you think that it's metaphorical? You know, because it's actually a true encounter with Jesus Christ, the real thing. You meet Jesus Christ inside of you, and it happens on the road to Damascus. It happens by you getting a glimpse of the mirror. You end up seeing the man at the door, Jesus Christ, the author of truth itself. Let me tell you how I understand this. I understand it as more real than anything in the world. See, there's going to be people that think, oh, it's like metaphorical or but it's a real encounter. See, I understand this from before the cataclysm that put humanity into the duality. I understand that they used to really climb this stairway to heaven. They used to go from planet to planet. Yeah, does that sound fantastical? Yeah, it used to me. It doesn't anymore. I understand how the inward journey that we have now used to be an outside world, as in the outside world now is duality, corruption, blindness, ignorance, the creation of the demiurge, which is created through everyone's ignorance. But before this cataclysm, everybody lived in Christ. It was natural. It was the outside world. We can't even comprehend it because it's like folding a human being inside out. It's wearing the inside on the outside, and the entire world wore the inside on the outside. Now, we have an inward journey where we believe that the outside world that we see with our eyes, we believe that to be the real world because, yeah, you bumped your head. And boy, that was real. It sure did hurt. Boy, that's going to tell me that the real world's the real world. But this encounter with the Christ, the moment that you see the mirror, just like Paul did, this used to be an outside journey. This used to be something regular. They used to climb this stairway to heaven to have communion with the Christ in the outside world. I understand that this was just life. To how they used to have all these stories that we have about having communion with God. That was a real thing at one point. So I'm just trying to tell you, guys, it's more real than you think. As in seeing the mirror and Sal having that encounter with Jesus Christ, that's more real than anything that is in the world. You know, as everybody claims postmodernism of everything. No, it's actually real. So I kind of wanted to share that with you because I guess if you didn't understand that this is the truth that I've come to, you will come to the same truth. through all the artifacts, all the world history, all the stories, once you start to learn that the world, its stories are actually real, we just don't know how they are. Then when we find out they're not made up, the whole world's telling the same exact stories, same exact Jesus Christ embedded in every religion, every secret society hiding the same symbolism, every Kabbalist hiding the same symbolism, every there was only one story, guys. There was only one symbolism, and it's right here. That's why I have this up. 2 pillars and the stairway to heaven. This was a real thing. It's just we've documented a real thing, and it's how all science works right here through the flower of life, which science and living aren't 2 different things. So I just wanted to share that with you all, that none of it's metaphor. As like, yeah, the stories, I speak in a symbolic language because I'm neurodivergent. That's what neurodivergent people do. We don't wear a mask. We speak in a symbolic language that we don't think is symbolic. I think everything that I say is like really easily understandable. I don't think anything I say is weird. I don't think that I speak in a symbolic language, but then everybody that hears me goes, bro, I can't understand anything that you said. It's all symbolic. And it was more real. Go back over all the stories worldwide, through every culture, through every single civilization ever. Go through all the artifacts ever, just on the thing of people having communion with God. And you might find out that that was an actual real thing at one time. Then there was a world cataclysm, and now everything is an inward journey to meet the man at the door, Jesus Christ, the Christ, when it just used to be normal life. Just used to be, it seems so obscure to us. It seems so unrealistic, but that moment that you meet the man at the door, Jesus Christ, the moment you fall off your horse, like Sal, that's why it is like it is. That's why he met the Christ, a real thing. We wear these ego masks. We have a fictional, fake, false sense of self and intelligence to go along with it. So much love. Hope everyone has the greatest day.